Okay, thanks for tuning in. My name's Chris James. We are excel.co.uk, and we're here to look at another little tip, a little trick, a little tip on an Excel spreadsheet. Today's tip is entering data at the bottom of a column quickly and accurately. So here I have a data list or a database. So as far as Excel is concerned, this is a database. There are no blank columns, no completely blank rows, and the first row of information are text and unique. So because I've stuck to those rules, Excel now treats this as a database. And one of the things Excel will do when it sees your data laid out as a database is allow you to re-enter items from a column quickly and efficiently. So let's take the location column. One of the entries here is Penny Hill Park. If I wanted to re-enter Penny Hill Park at the bottom of this column, most of us are already familiar with Excel's autocomplete feature. Now, autocomplete would mean that if I hit, for example, in this particular example, if I hit the letter P, then autocomplete looks up the column and says, right, I've found an entry that begins with P. It's Penny Hill Park. If you wish to reuse it, press enter. If you do not wish to re-enter that, then just keep on typing and you don't need to use it. So that's autocomplete, and most of us are quite familiar with this feature already. Quite a useful feature. However, in the following situation, it becomes almost useless. Now I'm going to go up to one of the Penny Hill Park entries. I'm going to double click to edit, and change it to read Penny Hill Park North. So having done this, what do you think is going to happen if I now hit the letter P at the bottom of this column? Yeah, many of you are already going to say, well, it won't do anything because there are more than one entry beginning with P, and it won't know which one I wish to use. So if I now hit the letter P, it doesn't know which one I wish to use. So until I get to Penny Hill Park and hit a space, only now is it offering me the North, almost a useless feature with this particular arrangement. So as an alternative to autocomplete, and this is really the point of this tutorial, as an alternative to autocomplete, we can use pick from drop down list. So bottom of the column, right mouse button click, pick from drop down list. This is the feature I'd like to make you aware of. It's there by default. It doesn't need to be set up. Any version of Excel, any country around the world, go to the bottom of a column. As long as you've laid your data out as a data list, right mouse button click, pick from drop down list, and you get a single instance of every entry in that column. So your database could be thousands of rows deep. And if you go to the bottom of a column, right click, pick from drop down list, it looks and lists all the entries for you to reuse. Single click to reuse. Here I go to the bottom of the departments column, doing the same thing. Right click, pick from drop down list, reuse any of the existing entries. So it's time saving and accuracy ensuring. We like time saving and accuracy ensuring when it comes to entering data on spreadsheets. That's the end of this particular video. Thanks for your time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, Chris James, we are excel.co.uk. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you'll tune in again shortly.